the Vertex Everyday Fanny Pack. This is it, brand new, right out of the packaging. And this is one that I have been using for about 2 weeks. And the reason that I have a used one and the new one is because of this right here. As you can see, that strap is completely coming unstitched from the bag. This is pretty much 3 weeks of everyday wear and nothing crazy, and that's what's happened. So reached out to the company directly over email. It was super quick, within the same day. They asked me for my address and proof of purchase, which I had bought on Amazon. Gave them that, and later that day they said it's en route, we'll replace it. Didn't have me send back the other one, nothing, pretty straightforward. So just kind of wanted to go over it really quick. Overall, I absolutely love this. I am kind of new to carrying a gun concealed in a fanny pack or a crossbody, but there are absolutely times where it's super convenient and your threat level or whatever's happening, this would be okay. So I'm going to empty this and put it into the new one and just kind of go through it real quick. So for those of you who aren't aware, it has one pouch in the front. It has a main pouch where you would put your firearm, and then it has a little pouch in the back that they say is designed for your phone. So I do carry my phone back there sometimes. It's pretty convenient. So in this main pouch, I do one of two things. The main carry pouch, I either obviously carry my firearm in there, or I carry my wallet and police ID, and then I'm carrying my firearm on my body. So like right now, I'm not carrying my firearm in here. I have an ID, and then my wallet was in there. But all I did is get a IWB holster, took the screws off, put double-sided Velcro on it, and then put it in here at the right angle, and it's worked awesome. Vertex has like this tactical origami stuff that you can build a holster. It's horrible, don't get it. I tried it and ended up returning it. It's really bad. It's not made for an optic. It hardly holds it secure. It's just bad. But having the firearm here and able to draw very quickly, it's super convenient. I really like it. They do offer an extended zipper pull, so under a stressful situation when your fine motor skills are going, you can identify that better and be able to unzip and then draw out. I don't have that yet. It's something I would like. So overall, I love this. It fits a Glock 43X with higher sights, the blacked out sights. It has an optic, it has a TLR 7 flashlight on it, so it fits it quite well. Up here in this small pouch, one of the things I really like about it is I am able to put a cat tourniquet in it, which a lot of other like little fanny packs, it's too big for it. And you'll notice the cat is prepped properly and ready to go, aka my time-stamped strap is ready to go. Your windlass can come out easily. Anyways, pet peeve. But I got a cat tourniquet. I'll throw a flashlight in here. This is the Olight Arc-Filled Pro, which I actually really like, by the way. That fits in there nicely. Sometimes I'll throw my mod light in there. That fits as well. I carry an extra battery for the mod light. Able to put a chest seal in here. Able to fold it up. I've been doing some tactical medicine, TECC, TCCC stuff for years. And before anybody freaks out, it's okay to fold your chest seals. It'll still work. I'm not able to put hemostatic gauze in here yet, but I did just get some non-hemostatic gauze, some rolled gauze in case we need to wrap something or fix a gunshot, pack something. Able to put a NPA in there, and again, you're able to fold these and still deploy them properly. Drop that on the floor. Have a liquid IV, obviously not necessary, but it's kind of convenient. And then I have some PPE, some gloves that I throw in there. So that's not packing it to the brim, but that's like comfortably packed. If you can see in there, it also has like 2 little kind of containers or dividers in there that you can put stuff in as well. Yeah, so that's it. That's what I everyday carry in it. And then just to show you how I have my holster. This is just double-sided sticky tape from Amazon. Nothing super fancy. This is a Tenacore holster. There's the male sticky tape, and then there's your female. I even have a, I forget who makes this. This is the just a little inside the pocket holster for a revolver. I have that where, you know, for whatever reason I want to carry the revolver that day, I can throw that in there and that sticks, and I can just have my revolver. So overall, you know, out with the old, in with the new. The deciding factor on this will be, obviously, if it holds up. Like I said, that was everyday use, but it wasn't anything rugged. So I was a little surprised at the craftsmanship and the fact that it started to come apart so easily. So I'm going to load everything back into the new one. I'm going to start using this, and we'll give it a few weeks, and hopefully I do not have that issue with the strap. But if I do, then obviously it's, you know, it's an issue with the bag and the company, and, you know, I won't be using it any longer if that's the case. But I am hopeful and optimistic that this will hold up. And if it does, like I said, outside of that, I really like this thing. So here's to hoping it holds up.